Hello, good day. I'm DANICA ALCALA, and in this video lesson, I will going to discuss about the introduction of mathematical language and symbols. So, what is language? Language is a systematic way of communicating with other people that uses of sounds or convention symbols. It is a system of words uses in particular discipline. It is also a system of abstracts, codes, which represents an antecedent events of concepts and arrange ordered sequence to form words. So, what are the importance of language? Language was invented to communicate ideas to others. It is important also because it can transmit information and to understand the expressed ideas, acquire knowledge and information, and to construct social identity. The language of mathematics was designed so we can use and write the numbers, sets, functions, and perform operations such like the four fundamental operations, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What is symbols? A mathematical symbol is a figure or a combination of figures that is used to represent a mathematical object, an action on a mathematical objects, a relation between mathematical objects, or for structuring the other symbols that occur in a formula. As formulas are entirely constituted with symbols of various types, many symbols are needed for expressing all mathematics. In mathematics, there should be symbols in every formula or statement so that we can understand its meaning. These symbols are commonly used in mathematics, the 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 2. Operations. We commonly use these in mathematics in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In sets, we represent these into intersection, union, subset, and superset. Variables. There are letters that are used as variables like A, B, and C, but the most common and preferred are X and Y. Special symbols. These are the equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, and pi, and many more. Logic symbols. These are represents as not, conjunction, disjunction, if and then, if and only if. Set notations. N is represents as a natural number. W is represent as a whole number. Z is an integers. Q is a rational. R is a real numbers, and C is a complex numbers. The following is an important sets in mathematics. The set of natural numbers. N equals 1, 2, 3, and so on. The set of whole numbers. W is equal 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The set of integers. Z is equals to negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, and so on. Q is the set of rational numbers. And the next one is the set of irrational numbers. R is the set of real numbers. C is the set of complex numbers. These are the common symbols in mathematics. As you can see in the pictures, these symbols are very common to us because we usually use this and saw this in every statement or formula in mathematics. The grammar of mathematics. The mathematical notation used for formulas has its own grammar, not dependent on a specific natural language, but shared internationally by the mathematicians regardless of their mother tongues. It explains that mathematics has its own grammar and people express mathematics through their mother tongue. Characteristics of the mathematical language: precise, concise, and powerful. Precise means able to make very fine distinctions. Concise means able to say things briefly. And powerful means able to express complex thoughts with ease. In summary, mathematics is very important because we use this every day in our daily lives. There is also a difficulties in mathematics. The word is could mean equality, inequality, or member in a set. Different use of a number like ordinal, cardinal, nominal, and ratio. Mathematical objects may be represented in many ways, such as sets and functions. The words and or mean differently in mathematics from its English use. So, let us describe the error in each of the following. This example is n subset 8. There is no error in the statement because 8 is a natural number. In the second example, the ratio of 6 and 2 is equal to 3. We can write this into mathematical statement, which is 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And there is no error in this statement. 4 and 8 is the element of f, where f is a function. There is no error in the statement because 4 and 8 is an ordered pair associated with the function. There are another examples and we're going to describe its error. 5 greater than 3. In this statement, there is no error because 5 is greater than 3. So, mas malaki yung 5 kaysa sa 3. The last example is x subset of y. There is no error in this statement because it means that every element of x is an element of y. That's why it translates into x is a subset of y. There are examples of a statement that we have to translate using mathematical symbols. Number 1 is x is multiple of 10. So, it refers to x is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. Its solution is 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2, 20, 10 times 3, 30, 10 times 4, 40, and 10 times 5 is 50, and so on. The second example is x is a prime number less than 20. So it represents into x is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Since the statement is referring into x less than 20, and since it is a prime number, the translation is the number is start to 2 up to 19 only. Third example statement is the set of natural numbers less than 10. So, natural numbers daw less than 10 is, it translates into n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Since the statement is referring to less than 10 daw, so it only up to 9. The fourth example statement is x is an even number less than 10. So it translates into x is equals to 2, 4, 6, and 8. And because the statement is referring into less than 10, so 2 is starting from 2 up to 8 only. The last example statement is x is an odd number less than 5. This statement is referring to x daw less than 5. So, the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Since the statement is referring to less than 5, so the answer is 1 only and 3. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video lesson, and I hope that you learned something. Have a good day. Bye!